Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I know this is going to be a controversial comment or controversial announcement from Microsoft, according to some. But Microsoft says that Windows 11 has no more known issues, nothing wrong with it, and they actually have updated all of their the health panel that they have to check out what's happening. So in known issues and notifications here, Windows 11 version 25H2, it says that, all issues that actually happened are resolved. So everything is resolved. Nothing is left to talk about. Apparently everything is okay now, from now on. So this means that you technically shouldn't have any issues with Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2 also. And this is, of course, always a little complex to talk about because there's a lot of, and I'll say it again and again, as a tech guy, I've noticed that's really the case. And I've seen quite a few comments when I talked about it of people, of IT guys saying, yep, you're right, that the majority of issues in Windows are not Windows related and that it's not a Windows problem. But that's in Windows where you have your problems, and a lot of them are issues that are created by the user themselves. Installing cleanup software, installing all sorts of things, multiple antiviruses. A lot, if not a big majority of problems within Windows are user created, and are sometimes, without being user created, are simply files that can corrupt or things like that. You shut down your PC in the wrong way and so on. I say it again. I've got several PCs with Windows 11. I've got a lot of family members that have Windows 11. Nobody has issues with Windows 11. And so, this is when you maintain your system correctly and are careful with what you install. Windows 11 is extremely stable. And, there are no known issues. And I know there's going to be a lot of comments of people saying, well, I got tons of problems. Yeah, well, you should look at what you're doing with your PC and the software you installed and the things you do way more than, and faulty hardware, which also can kick in there without, knowing. But, Microsoft does also ignore sometimes some of the stuff. We're not, I sometimes see Microsoft not accepting certain problems as being a problem. But according to Microsoft, at least, we have no issues in Windows anymore on Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.